Importance of marriage right. Provides a sense of belonging to the couple and children. Marriage is an avenue for reproduction. Children make the couple complete and strengthen the bond between them. Allows the couple to own property. Sons born in family inherited from the parent. It allows the couple to acquire new skills and knowledge. It unites the dead and the living by naming children after them. Marriage provides security to the parents, especially at old age. Marriage improves the social status of the couple. It allows one to have sex. It strengthens kinship ties. It was a source of wealth, especially when one had many daughters. Children provided labor. Importance of courtship. To determine the stability of the partner. To give time for the marriage negotiation to be made official. To educate the partners on a marriage. To familiarize with the other family members. To give time for the groom to pay the dowry. To give chance to check if the two had any kinship ties. To give time for the family to exchange gifts. To allow the two to be told their responsibilities. Circumstances under which divorce is granted in traditional African communities. If the wife is barren, either partner is too lazy, if the man fails to pay dowry for the girl, if either partner is adulterous, if either partner failed to undergo initiation rituals, if one of the partner develop a serious illness, for example madness, leprosy, if the girl is discovered not to be a virgin on the wedding day, endless cruelty from the husband which may be due to drunkenness, if the marriage is contrary to the people's customs, for example a couple related by blood, if either the husband or the wife is proven to be greedy, if one partner is selfish or spiteful, if either partner is a thief, if either partner is a wizard or a witch or a sorcerer. Moral values inculcated through marriage right. Respect or courtesy. The couple's social status is elevated. The couple's social status is elevated. Responsibility, hard work or diligence. The couple works hard to provide for the family. Faithfulness or chastity or purity. There is a test of virginity during the marriage. Love. The couple should love one another. Humility. The spouses learn to submit to each other. Kindness or hospitality. There is feasting and during the marriage ceremony. Integrity. Couples maintain openness in all their undertakings. Courage. The husband must guarantee security for his family. Tolerance or endurance or perseverance. Couples learn to face hardship without complaining. Generosity and kindness. The couple learns the act of sharing with others. Unity or cooperation. People come together or celebrate marriage. Chastity or purity. There is a test of virginity during the marriage. Importance of dowry in traditional African communities. It is a way of thanking the girl's parent. It is a form of compensation to the bride's parents. Sign a contract and commitment to marry from the man. It was a show of generosity from the man. It showed the ability of a man to take care of the family. Acted as a marriage certificate or seal which cements the marriage. Served as an outward sign of marriage. It cemented the friendship between the two families. It is a symbol of girl's presence in her new home. Brought the two families together to celebrate the union of their children. Characteristics of bridal or dowry. It is a sign of respect or appreciation to the girl's parents. Bridal in some communities is paid for a long period even after the children are grown old. It cements the relationship between the two families. It gives the wife legitimacy and security in her new home. Guarantees security and the right to inheritance to the children. It gives a man rights to his children. It is not an economic transaction but a rich and a social symbol. Breadwell establishes sexual rights to the husband. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.